Day, the one day we celebrate work without doing any of it. Today's agenda, grilling, chilling, and avoiding my phone at all costs. It's the one day a year where doing nothing is actually productive, and I'm fully committed. But it does make me wonder, what's everybody else doing on their day off?
Today, we celebrate all the hard work that you have put in throughout the year. Take this time to do the things that really matter most to you. Whether that's spending time with your family, or getting out into nature, or even just hanging out for some rest and relaxation. Whatever it is you choose to do, know that you earned it.
Wow, things got intense there for a minute. Better get these burgers inside.
There's a cold beer calling my name. Feel a good time coming.